other motion backgrounds from stock footage from YouTube as well. So yep, in this way we'll be able to do that. So thanks for watching this video.